I want to learn English speaking, but I don't know how to start. Friends, if you are the one who is also willing to speak English language and you don't know how to start this language, so definitely you will start speaking this language, because in today's video I'm gonna share my own experience how I learned this language. Friends, to be very frank with you, if you really want to learn English language and you want to speak very confidently, then you have to follow four basic steps like listening, reading, speaking and writing. Why I'm telling you, because we speak our own language, our own native language, and on the daily basis we just keep listening our language and keep speaking. But when it comes to speaking English language, then we have to create our own English environment. So by listening and reading you can create this environment. So you have to choose something in English, like you have to choose English content to speak this language. So per day, when I was a beginner, I used to read English newspaper and English storybook, and simultaneously I used to listen something in English. And what I saw, like gradually I was improving my speaking skill. And in your case also, if you continue this habit like listening and reading on the daily basis, so definitely within couple of days you will start speaking this language, on condition that you have to do this activity every day. Don't skip this activity in a single day, because if you skip this activity, so definitely I don't think like you would be able to speak this language. So friends, what I have noticed, like there are many English learners, they just say like I have been reading and listening, but I'm not gaining any effect. I'm not able to speak this language. What happened, friend? You have to choose something. What content you are choosing? You have to choose like up to your understanding level. Suppose that you are a beginner, so if you read novel, drama of Shakespeare, so how will you understand? So you have to choose according to understanding level. Like you have to choose. What do you say, beginner level, like story of rat, cat, crocodile, because in this story I have noticed there are simple sentences, so you will easily understand. So if you are really very ambitious, enthusiastic to speak this language, so definitely you have to follow this activity, because I have noticed there are many English learners, they just follow this activity like some days, and after that they just give up. So you have to not do the same thing. You have to very like what do you say, honest, punctual, consistent,